having a hands-on approach keeps kids engaged and really relates it to a real-world experience for them to be able to understand what the importance of data science is. And it's such a growing field that it's important to introduce kids to these ideas so that they can maybe have a career with that in the future. Data Dunkers is a data science and basketball program. It's a fun and engaging experience for kids to be introduced to the world of data science. So the program is run through Dell Technologies and NBA player Pascal Siakam, his organization PS43.
It's about getting kids interested in data science through the motivator of basketball. So kids come into the gym and they take turns taking shots from varying distances away from the hoop. And then they track that data and put it into a Google form, and then we use coding to run stats to find their average and make charts and things like that. And we also use AI to figure out teams, fantasy teams, see who had the best average and things like that.
Oh, there's plenty of careers in data science, from medicine and teaching, sports science, computer programming. Data's everywhere. I find that the students really like the hands-on approach with basketball. It gets them interested in exploring data and how it relates to sports and statistics. And they really enjoy shooting the baskets and then putting the results into the coding program and seeing how they compare to everyone else. The kids have really enjoyed this experience and working together and getting to be with their friends all day and just shoot hoops. And then just even being able to run code, they feel really technological.